Alright, so we got a 14 millimeter here, and we'll try and crack it loose, and then we gotta grab the inside ball socket, which is the same as this one. There's a little metal sleeve right here where my fingernail would be. And we gotta grab that with vice grips to stop it from spinning. But for now, usually you can just get them to crack loose a little, and this one's spinning right away. So we gotta grab that with the vice grip. Okay, we'll get the vice grips in here. You can't really see too well, but we're trying to grab the metal sleeve part. And let's see if this one's coming off now. Oh. But we sprayed them with penetrating oil, and we've got a new Moog design that we're putting on. It has grease fittings, and they're pretty nice. So the original one's a 14 millimeter. The Moog nut is a 15. So we got this bottom one done, and we're gonna go grab the top one now. Got the cheater wrench in the back here, trying to get it to crack loose before the sleeve starts spinning. Ah, look at it, it's spinning already. That's great. So we gotta grab that with vice grips now.
Yeah, this is lots of fun. You need a good pair of vice grips to grab a hold of that little collar that's turning in there.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to take a few bites because it'll loosen up after a little bit.
Yeah. All right, so we finally got the link off, man, slow but sure. If you guys have a torch at the house and you want to heat this nut up a little bit, it'll help you get it to crack loose. The thing just went hard the whole way. So, your fuel tank's back here. You got to be really careful. All right, so we get that in place. Put some never sees. Now these new nuts are 15 millimeters. And there's an 18 millimeter that you can hold inside here. We've got a shorter, stubby 18 wrench, 15 wrenches. So we're going to use a socket for this one here with the ratchet with the 18 on the inside. And after we get these bolted on, we're going to grease the grease fittings. Okay. Okay, we'll get a short 15 stubby for that one. There's like really no good place to, I'm using the stubby wrench, and you gotta really push on it to try and catch some swings with it, but it's kind of the fastest way to go. Alright, that's it. It's tight. Alright, so we got the grease gun here. We're going to put them on. You probably only got to do 3 or 4 pumps. See how the boot started to expand? That's all I need to see. I don't need to blow it out. Like 3-4 pumps, that's it. And we've already done the other side. It's the same job. 4 pumps. And now when you go in for service, you gotta remind the lube place that you actually have greasable stabilizer links under there. And it's the same procedure on the other side. It's very tight up top here. We actually put a little heat on it to back it off, but you can just keep going slow with it. But in the area of the country we're in, we run into this all the time. In nicer climates, you probably won't run into that, so that'll do it.